Hey guys, my name is Mike Helm. I make this little 2GR AC idle up box. And I know recently I posted a post about how I got the wire harness incorrect for can high and can low. Also at that same time, I learned that there was a relay required for these, for the 91 and 92. My car's a 93, so I did not realize that until later. So my original solution was one of these really ugly relays here that I just bought off Amazon. You just ground it, and then one goes to the box and one goes to the input to close the circuit. I really didn't like that solution because it's ugly. So I have made this new little box here. I don't have it closed at the moment, but you can see I put an actual Toyota relay on the side. I've repurposed these from the wrecking yard. So normally inside of these boxes here, you will see not a whole lot. And if any of you want to know what's inside, this is what's inside. It's not super crazy. It's just an Arduino board that does some fancy stuff that took me a little while to figure out. So inside normally you can see you don't see anything, but what you will see is that there's one little joint that's soldered down here, and that actually connects to one of the pins up here. So what I've had to do here is a little more complicated to make this work. Basically that pin that comes in from here is going to be this blue wire or green wire, and then you have your two grounds, and then you have your input into the board to tell it that you got a ground. That's how the board works, is it sees a ground input when you turn on your air conditioning, and it will send the other CAN message to tell the AC, or to tell the ECM to idle up. Also, this is my first video I've ever made, so if it seems like I'm stuttering through this, that's why. I'm sorry, I'm just a normal person. So this is the new box, and I like the design a lot better. I hope you guys do too. Anybody who already has one of my boxes, if you've already purchased it, I will be upgrading these. I'm not charging you anything except shipping. So if you ship it to me, send me like 10 bucks, and so I can ship it back to you. I will print you a new case, which actually you can see is just a slight bit larger than the original. Also, it's a little bit wider, just for where the relay comes out. Other than that, the footprint is exactly the same. The board is exactly the same. There's no programming changes. But I did want to offer this up to anybody who, like me, did not like this really ugly solution. I will also note, I will also put this in print there too, that one of my customers has found that there is an alternative wire that can be used. The problem is it comes from the fuse box instead of the trunk, but it would be the EA3 pin, or EA3 connector pin number 9. And that will also give you a ground signal that you could run directly to this box and still continue to use the smaller version with no relay needed. But if you like having it in the trunk and you want to run it through, and it's worth you shipping it to me plus 10 bucks for me to ship it back to you, I will print you a new case, and I will get you this relay, which I've gathered from there, and I will resolder your board for you and send it back. And if you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. I'm hoping I've answered everything, and thanks a lot for buying my product, guys.